What's going on, YouTube? What's going on with you on this Wednesday morning, man? How y'all feeling on this Wednesday? Just left McDonald's, got a medium coffee. Y'all woke up this morning thinking I was about to go to work. Woke up, came outside early, started the car. Man, that first hit of coffee wake you up. I haven't had no coffee in 3 days. 3 days, y'all. I was in the house for 2 days because of the snowstorm. So I wake up this morning thinking, I'm like, man, I gotta go to work. I'm about to go to work. They not gonna text me. They not gonna say, man, we not that busy today. I woke up ready to go to work, y'all. You know, I'm sitting in the car, warming the car up. Warmed the car up, got out the car, started scraping the ice off my windshield and all that type of stuff. So I get back in the car, letting it all just defrost, and it's just melting away. Then around that was 7:33, 4, something like that, 7:35. I get that text message. We not that busy today. We not that busy. We had to call 2 people off, and I was one of the people. So here I go. Here I am. Off another day. So it's cool. We get paid this Friday. But this check gonna be short as hell, y'all. It's gonna be short. It's gonna be shorter than me. And I'm 5'8". Man. So next check, it's gonna be short too. Cause we slow right now. It's slow as hell. It's slow as hell, man, the hotel industry. I gotta go file these taxes. I finally got my other piece of my tax information, which is my banking information, actually. So I'm gonna go print that out. Today. Then I also gotta I gotta get my sticker for my license. So I'm gonna go to the BMV, Bureau of Motor Vehicles. The BMV, get this sticker. Oh man, they about to charge me up, y'all. They about to charge me up. Last year I paid like $100 and something. Last year I had to renew my whole license. I might have take the picture plus get the sticker. So I gotta just get the sticker today, and then I gotta update my license too. I gotta get that real ID, the one with the star at the top. So, but I'm feeling good. Got some good sleep last night. Watched basketball. UD, they played Rhode Island last night. University of Dayton. And then I watch Kentucky, they played Vanderbilt. Vanderbilt beat them. It was a 55-80. I was surprised that Kentucky was gonna get beat by Vanderbilt. I was surprised about that, y'all. But yesterday I was outside shoveling snow for an hour, and then the day before that I was outside shoveling snow for like 3 hours. Freezing my ass off, y'all, but I got it done. I piled it up. I didn't even do the back of the house. I didn't even touch that. I had to I might have take the trash out yesterday. Took the trash out yesterday. That shit was heavy as hell, man. Because I had to take it through the fence and the snow was just high as hell. Like, it was like up there. I'm like, man, I'm up there almost about to fall in the snow, and boy, I got it done though. Man, this snow, man, it's been rough, but it's over with. I was outside in it when it was coming down. I was like, man, this shit crazy. I was like, man, wintertime in Ohio. But I'm ready to go back to work now. I've been off a lot. I've been working out. I've been getting the workout in, y'all. I've been taking advantage of my time being off. I've been working out. Worked out yesterday. I'm work out when I go back home after I get finished running my errands. I gotta go and I gotta stop at Walmart. I gotta get some paper towels. Gotta get some foil. I already got a case of water. I had got that case of water Saturday. And I went in Walmart and man, everything was taken off the shelves. I mean, like they didn't leave nothing, man. All the water was just gone. Everything was just gone, man. They was all getting ready for this winter storm. I guess they thought the winter storm was gonna last like 2 days or something, 3 days or something. But this is what I think. I think a lot of people that had went grocery shopping Friday and Saturday, they was getting a whole lot of stuff and just passing it out to their neighbors probably. Because I know people wasn't buying all that stuff up just for them. Like, it had felt like during the pandemic when the pandemic first happened. I remember I had went to Walmart and the shelves was empty. And that's what it felt like Saturday. It had felt like the pandemic all over again. Except for this time, they wasn't buying a whole case of Lysol and wipes and man, we 6 years out of the pandemic, y'all. We 6 years out of the pandemic. That's crazy. 6 and 5 years ago, we was masking up. We was getting the vaccine shots and getting the COVID test, where they had swabbed your nose and all that. Where they had stuck the thing up your nose and swabbed it. See if you contracted COVID-19. I remember. Because they had like bus clinics and stuff set up at different places and stuff, clinics and stuff, where they was checking your temperature and stuff when you came in the door. Like if you had like 100 degrees temperature or whatever, or like if it was over 100, they wouldn't let you come in because they thought you had COVID. Man. I remember because I got sick. I got sick and they thought I had COVID. I got sick. I had left the humidifier Vicks vapor a machine on in my room. And I didn't open the window. And so I left the house and then came back and took a nap. And all that Vicks and stuff was in the room. And so while I was asleep, all that Vicks got in my chest. And I woke up with like chest pains and my chest was hurting real bad, and it felt like somebody was pressing down on my chest. And I called my doctor, and they thought I had COVID, and they had rushed me in. Yeah, I called my asthma specialist. And like he thought I had COVID, and they was doing tests and all that type of stuff. I was on prednisone. How many milligrams was I on? It was like 20-something milligrams or something like that. Well, anyway, I was up on prednisone for like about 3 weeks straight, and I had blood work done. My blood work came back; it was good. All of that, man. I was prednisone. I was fucked up, man. And like that prednisone, like the side effects from that prednisone, man, my back was tightened up, stomach was tightened up. I couldn't eat nothing. I felt the blood and stuff going through my body. My body was just all thrown off though. I remember, man. Man. I remember, y'all. I shook back though. I shook back. I was working out every day. I was drinking a whole lot of water. As soon as I got off that prednisone, man, I was up there doing everything to bounce back. I was drinking water. I was drinking smoothies and all that. I'm about to enjoy this day off. Finish up this coffee. And then run some errands. I know they canceled a whole lot of schools today too because it's so cold. Like, so a lot of people off from school and everything. Because some of these buildings and stuff, they don't got no heat. And then some of these teachers driving long distance too. But enjoy your day off. I'm gonna enjoy my day off. It's Wednesday. I'm off again. I'm gonna enjoy this day. Back to the grind tomorrow. The grind don't stop. The journey continue. Grind don't stop. Keep pushing forward. Life is what we make it. Make your life how you want your life to be. And I'm out.